give 2 mole of HCl plus carbon, that's plus sulfur, that's S there. You can see here H2L to become ordinary S has lost hydrogen. H2L at the reactant to become S has lost hydrogen. In that case, H2S oxidizes. While Cl2 had gained hydrogen to become what? HCl. Gain hydrogen means it has reduced. Again, H2S becoming S, that is losing hydrogen, oxidized. The one that oxidized, reducing agent. The one that gain hydrogen, oxidizing agent. That's what we are going to want to bring out here. The third way of defining this concept is when you in time of a negative element, that is element that when they lose electron they carry negative charge, that referred to as a negative element, and that generally that referred to as non-metals. Non-metals are referred to as electronegative elements because non-metals gain electron and in that process they carry negative charge. Oxidation is defined that is when you add these non-metals to a substance, that's what oxidation. But when you remove them, that is referred to as reduction. When you add non-metals to either element or compound, that will be an oxidation. Example here is Na plus Cl2. When you have NaCl, from Na to NaCl2, that become oxidation, which means Na oxidizes while Cl2 reduces. Again, Na combined with Cl2 become NaCl, undergo oxidation, while Cl2 is reduced. That's what we have there. So the one that oxidizes here will serve as our reducing agent, Na reducing agent, while Cl2 will be our oxidizing agent. You balance this by putting 2 Na plus Cl2 to give 2 NaCl. The second example under this is what I've explained before. So you have carbon plus ZnO plus CO2 plus Zn. So we have explained that carbon becomes CO2, C becomes CO2, that's oxidized, ZnO becomes Zn, that's what? Reduced. So another way of defining these terms, also by looking at in terms of electron transfer of electron. When there's loss of electron, substances oxidizes. When there's gain of electron, that substance reduces. Oxidation is defined as loss of electron from a substance. Reduction is gaining of electron by a substance. When a substance loses electron, it oxidizes. When they gain electron, it becomes what? Reduce. Example here is FeCl2 plus Cl2 to give. So here is to balance by putting 2 here and also 2 at this place. I hope you understand what we are talking. At least you must balance your reaction. It's very important. If you look at this reaction very well, you call this compound iron 2 chloride. Why are the product? You have what? Iron 3 chloride. What does that mean? You have Fe2 plus in your reactant and you have Fe3 plus in your product. From Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, that is an increase from 2 to 3. It's also talking about that one, that's an increase in the number of oxidation. That's another way of defining this. That is, when there's an increase, oxidation number from 2 to 3, that's oxidized. The other way around, from 3 now back to 2, that is reduction. So this is how you can define your the last part of this. So let's stop there for now.